High-pressure cordless cleaning water gun, portable car cleaning machine, 2 nozzle modes, built-in foam sprayer, suitable for car, motorcycle, floor cleaning. Material: ABS resin. Power mode: battery/power dual purpose. Operating voltage: 220V, 240V. 100% new. We check every machine with water. Specification: Product name: Wireless high-pressure car washer. Material: ABS and copper. Power supply: Lithium battery. Drive: Lithium battery wireless drive. Car washing equipment type: household car washing machine. Scope of application: car washing, watering flowers, watering vegetables, spraying cleaning, etc. Water source type: bucket, self-priming. Description: The cordless pressure washer has a cordless and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry and work anywhere. Provides stable power for the normal operation of the car washing machine, and the battery has a long service life. Fast charger with long battery life. Batteries are suitable for most power tools of the same model. Portable pressure washer can not only be used to clean all kinds of cars, bicycles, motorcycles, etc., but also can clean balconies, windows, exterior walls, floors, fences, house walls, furniture, and so on. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.